Welcome everyone to the third lecture of Business English and Marketing. This video is dedicated to introducing the meaning of marketing and identifying the four elements of marketing. So, what is marketing? Marketing means the movement of goods and services from manufacturer to customer in order to satisfy the customer and to achieve the company's objective. Marketing can be divided into four main elements that are popularly known as the 4Ps: product, price, placement, and promotion. Each one plays a vital role in the success or failure of the marketing operation. The product element of marketing refers to the good or service that the company wants to sell. This often involves research and development of a new product, research of the potential market, testing of the product to ensure quality, and then introduction to the market. A company next considers the price to charge for its product. There are three pricing options the company may take: above, with, or below the prices that its competitors are charging. The third element of marketing process, placement, involves getting the product to the customer. This takes place through the channels of distribution. A common channel of distribution is manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer, and customer. Finally, communication between buyer and seller is known as promotion. There are two major ways promotion occurs: through personal selling, as in department store, and through advertising, as in newspaper and magazine. That's all we have in this video. Thank you so much for watching.